Alleged 27 billion naira fraud. EFCC arrests former governor of Taraba State, Darius Ishaku. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has arrested former Taraba State Governor, Darius Ishaku, on allegations of fraud amounting to 27 billion naira. According to EFCC spokesperson Dele Oyewale, Ishaku faced 15 counts of criminal charges, including breach of trust, misappropriation and diversion of public funds. These alleged offences occurred between 2015 and 2021 during Ishaku's tenure as governor. The charges filed at the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja detailed a series of financial misdeeds. Ishaku is accused of diverting over 1 billion naira from the Bureau of Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs Contingency Fund in Taraba State. Further allegations against Ishaku include the misuse of funds from various local government councils. The former governor reportedly diverted a substantial amount of 3.348 billion naira for personal gain and additional 639 million naira for his own use, significantly impacting the local communities. In a notable charge, Ishaku is accused of using 761 million naira of state funds to repay a loan for his private company, Worthy Construction Limited. He is also alleged to have purchased a duplex in Abuja using 23 million naira from Taraba State government coffers. The charges extend to Ishaku's co-defendant, Bello Yero, a former permanent secretary of Taraba State Bureau for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs. Both are implicated in several counts of fund misappropriation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we provide more updates on these developing stories as information becomes available.